Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Curzon, British Columbia, is a small rural community in the Creston Valley, in the southeastern corner of the province. Set between the Selkirk and Purcell mountain ranges, it lies close to the Kootenay River and not far from the United States border. The landscape here is wide and open, with farmland stretching across the valley floor and mountains rising on both sides, creating a setting that feels both expansive and quiet. Settlement in the area began in the late 1800s as pioneers moved into the valley in search of farmland. Curzon developed as a small agricultural community, shaped by the same forces that influenced nearby towns like Creston. The fertile soil and relatively mild climate made the valley ideal for farming, and early settlers worked to establish homes, fields, and local connections in what was then a remote part of British Columbia. In the early 1900s, large-scale diking and drainage projects along the Kootenay River changed the landscape significantly. These efforts reduced flooding and turned large areas of wetlands into productive farmland. This transformation allowed agriculture to expand and supported the growth of small communities like Curzon, where farming became the foundation of everyday life. Agriculture has remained central to Curzon over the years. The surrounding land has been used for a mix of crops and livestock, with farming families relying on the steady cycle of the seasons. While nearby areas became known for fruit production, Curzon has maintained a more traditional agricultural focus, contributing to the broader farming economy of the Creston Valley. The nearby Kootenay River continues to play an important role in shaping the region. While the dikes help manage water levels, the river remains a powerful natural presence, influencing both the land and the wildlife that depend on it. Nearby wetlands, some of which are now protected, provide important habitat for birds and other species, adding to the natural richness of the area. Curzon has remained small and quiet, with little of the growth seen in larger communities. This has helped preserve its rural character, where open fields, scattered homes, and long views of the surrounding mountains define the landscape. Today, Curzon offers a simple and authentic glimpse into a quieter side of British Columbia. Thanks for watching!